Stop scrolling. What if your most stunning garden moment cost less than a cup of coffee? I'm talking jaw-dropping, neighbor-stopping, heart-filling beauty, and every single bit of it starts at Dollar Tree. Welcome, fellow dirt lovers, to Daily Sprout Gardener, where we believe the most magical gardens aren't bought, they're built, with grit, creativity, and a whole lot of heart. Today I'm handing you 30 genius DIYs that will transform ordinary dollar finds into pure garden gold. If growing things gives you chills, and every bloom feels like a victory, hit subscribe, because your garden journey just leveled up. Let's dig in. Idea number 1, the candle holder bird bath. A spa for the birds. Here's a secret the fanciest garden centers don't want you to know. The most charming bird bath you'll ever own costs under $2. Flip a metal candle holder upside down. Glue a plastic bowl on top. Hit it with faux stone spray paint. Drop in smooth pebbles. Add water. And in 10 minutes flat, you've created a bird's paradise and a stunning yard focal point. Simple, elegant, and proof that nature shows up when you make room for it. Idea number 2, the teacup tower planter. Whimsy meets gardening. Close your eyes. Imagine mismatched teacups spiraling upward, tilted just so, bursting with herbs and succulents. That's not a Pinterest dream. That's your next weekend project. Grab teacups and saucers from Dollar Tree. Stack them in a playful upward spiral using waterproof glue, tilting a few for that wonderland effect. Fill with potting mix, tuck in your favorite plants, and place it where joy belongs. Every time you walk past it, you'll smile, because it's quirky, it's charming, and it is completely, unmistakably you. Idea number 3, glowing mason jar lanterns. Light up your garden with solar magic. The best moment in any garden? That hush right after sunset when everything goes golden. Capture it forever with this. Clear mason jars. Solar stake lights. Twine. Remove the stake. Nest the light inside the jar. Tuck the battery at the base. Loop twine around the neck. And hang them from branches, hooks, or railings. When dusk falls, they ignite, casting soft, firefly-like light through your entire garden. Budget-friendly enchantment that turns every evening into something worth savoring. Idea number 4, designer stepping stones. Faux marble from a pizza pan. You don't just walk through your garden, you wander it. So every step deserves to feel special. Here's how. Pour quick-set concrete into a Dollar Tree pizza pan. Swirl in black and white acrylic paint before it sets. Just a few strokes for that stunning marble effect. Once dry, pop it out. Instant designer stepping stone. Line a path through your flower beds and watch every visitor wonder where on earth you found them. Spoiler, a dollar store. No one has to know. Idea number 5, faux marble stepping stones. From pizza pan to garden chic. If one marble stepping stone is beautiful, a path of them is breathtaking. Mix quick dry concrete. Fill that pizza pan halfway. Swirl your paint. Let it cure, and repeat. Each stone is slightly different, like real marble, giving your garden trail a high-end, custom feel that flows naturally through your beds. It's elegance you can walk on, and creativity that costs next to nothing. Idea number 6, waterfall greenery. Vertical garden with stackable bins. Garden space is precious. Backbending? Optional. Grab Dollar Tree's stackable plastic bins, poke drainage holes with a heated nail, then stack them in a staircase or pyramid shape secured with zip ties. Fill each level with lightweight potting soil. Plant trailing sweet potato vine, lobelia, or strawberries. Watch them cascade downward like a living green waterfall. Vertical drama, zero stooping, maximum beauty. Your back and your garden will thank you equally. Idea number 7, mirror wall illusion. Expanding your garden with reflection. Here's a garden trick designers charge thousands for. Mirrors. Mount lightweight Dollar Tree framed mirrors along a fence or wall at eye level, slightly staggered. Instantly, your garden doubles. Your flowers reflect back at you. The sky appears twice. Shaded corners brighten dramatically. It's visual magic, the illusion of endless green where plain walls once stood. Small trick, enormous impact. Idea number 8, pool noodle garden edging. Flexible, fun, and full of personality. Your flower beds deserve a finishing touch. Grab Dollar Tree pool noodles and slice them lengthwise down the center. Wrap with floral duct tape or burlap ribbon for a rustic look. Then press them into place along garden bed edges. They bend around every curve beautifully, laugh at rain and sun, and give your borders a clean, colorful polish. No sharp metal. No backbreaking digging. Just charm with zero fuss. Idea number 9. Garden melody. Wind chimes with measuring cups. Close your eyes and picture this. A warm breeze drifts through your garden and you hear it. A soft, handmade melody coming from your very own creation. Metal measuring cups from Dollar Tree, hung at varying lengths from an embroidery hoop using fishing line, placed where the breeze wanders freely. When the wind moves, they sing. It's not just garden decor. It's a handcrafted soundtrack to your outdoor life. And every note reminds you that the most beautiful things are the ones you made yourself. Idea number 10. Personalized garden flag. A pillowcase with a purpose. Your garden tells your story. Shouldn't your flag? Grab a decorative Dollar Tree pillowcase, or rescue one from the back of your linen closet, and cut it to flag size. Fold the top, glue or sew a pocket, and slide a wooden dowel through. Hang it from a shepherd's hook near your garden gate. Personalize further with fabric paint, stencils, or your family name in iron-on letters. It flutters gently in the breeze, a beautiful little flag that says, "This garden belongs to someone who truly loves it." Idea number 11. Cascading beauty. Tiered planters with mixing bowls. Layers. That's the secret to a show-stopping garden display. Stack plastic mixing bowls and Dollar Tree candlestick holders in alternating tiers. Bowl, candlestick, bowl, using strong adhesive. Let it cure. Fill each level with soil and plant cascading petunias, ivy, or sweet alyssum. As they spill over each tier in waves of color and texture, neighbors will stop mid-stride and stare. When they ask where you got it, smile and say, "I built it." Idea number 12. Backyard serenity water fountain from trash cans. Stay with me here. This one sounds wild and looks spectacular. Two Dollar Tree trash cans, nested together. A compact solar pump tucked inside. River rocks and floating flowers arranged around the top rim. Moss and small plants softening the base. Press start, step back, and listen. The sound of water trickling in your own backyard. A peaceful oasis assembled from trash cans and creativity. That's not just DIY, that's pure garden alchemy. Idea number 13. Storybook touch. Rustic garden signs from baking sheets. Every garden has a story. Give yours a voice. Coat Dollar Tree baking sheets with chalkboard spray paint. Once dry, write your favorite garden saying, "Grow wild, bloom where you're planted," using a white paint pen. Punch holes at the top, thread jute twine, and hang throughout your garden. Rustic, charming, and completely personal. Like pages from a storybook written in soil and sunlight. Idea number 14. Mini garden magic. Succulent nursery in ice cube trays. Here's the project that'll make your heart do a little flutter. Dollar Tree ice cube trays, each compartment filled with cactus mix and a baby succulent cutting or leaf. Organized, tidy little rows of brand new life, starting their journey right there in your hands. Set on a sunny windowsill and watch them daily. These tiny beginnings will become gifts, swaps, future arrangements, and proof that the most magnificent things start impossibly small. Idea number 15. Welcoming wings. Butterfly feeder with plastic wine glasses. Want more butterflies dancing through your garden? Here's how to invite them. Flip Dollar Tree plastic wine glasses upside down and glue the bases to plastic plates, creating charming pedestals. Soak colorful kitchen sponges in sugar water and place them on each plate. Set throughout the garden on flat stones or plant stands. The bright colors call the butterflies in. The sponges give them somewhere safe to land and sip. Living, fluttering beauty that you created on purpose with $3. Idea number 16. Cascading charm. Hanging planter from a wire basket and chains. Take a Dollar Tree wire basket. Line it with moss, burlap, or a reused coffee sack. Attach 3 equal lengths of chain or rope to the rim, joining at the top with a hook. Fill with soil and trailing plants, lobelia, ivy, or strawberries. Hang from a tree limb, porch beam, or shepherd's hook. As it grows, blooms cascade outward in a living, swaying waterfall of color. We don't just decorate the ground. We decorate the air. Idea number 17. Creative edging. Recycled garden borders from cutting boards. Clean garden lines make every flower pop harder. Grab thin Dollar Tree cutting boards and trim the top edges into scallops or gentle waves. Spray paint them in stone texture or metallic sheen. Press them side by side into the soil along your garden beds. Waterproof, sturdy, polished. A custom border that looks professionally landscaped and cost under $5. Ordinary objects, extraordinary results. The Daily Sprout Gardener Way. Idea number 18. Hanging Harvest Umbrella Herb Drying Rack. Picture this, a colorful child's umbrella flipped upside down, hanging from a shaded branch, with bundles of rosemary, lavender, and sage clipped to every spoke. That's exactly what this is. A Dollar Tree umbrella becomes a spinning, aromatic herb carousel that dries your harvest beautifully, practically, and with an undeniable charm. Functional art that smells like a dream. Idea number 19. Climbing Beauty DIY Garden Trellis with Dollar Tree lattice and zip ties. Watching a vine reach skyward, tendril by tendril, is one of gardening's purest joys. Give your climbers the stage they deserve. Connect Dollar Tree plastic lattice panels vertically using zip ties. Back them with bamboo garden stakes pressed firmly into soil. Plant morning glories, sweet peas, or pole beans at the base. Step back and watch the magic unfold. Blooms and vines turning your humble trellis into a living, growing sculpture. Budget-friendly, breathtakingly beautiful. Idea number 20. Relax and display. Planter bench from laundry baskets. Every garden needs a place to pause and breathe it all in. Flip 2 Dollar Tree laundry baskets upside down as bases. Lay a woodlook plank or storage lid across the top. Dress it with potted flowers, trailing vines, or a row of herb containers. You've just built a lightweight, weather-ready garden bench that doubles as a plant display. Stylish, sturdy, and perfectly made for long, peaceful garden moments. Idea number 21. Twilight Sparkle Solar Light Path with Salt Shakers. A garden that glows at night is twice the garden. Pick up glass salt or pepper shakers from Dollar Tree, drop mini solar lights inside, a surprisingly perfect fit, and line them along your garden path or porch steps. As the sun sets, they flicker to life like tiny ground stars. No wiring, no timers, just sunlight stored all day, released all evening, making your garden shine beautifully long after dark. Idea number 22. Dancing blooms. Upcycled colander hanging garden. Spray paint a Dollar Tree metal colander in rustic bronze or sunny yellow. Line with burlap or coconut fiber. Fill with soil. Plant trailing petunias, verbena, or nasturtiums. Hang from 3 even lengths of twine joined at the top. When the breeze moves through, your colander spins, flowers cascading, light filtering through the holes, petals catching the wind. It isn't just a planter. It's living, swirling garden art that you made with your own 2 hands. Idea number 23. Mosaic Magic Pebble Tabletop from River Rocks and Beads. Transform any tired old table into a garden masterpiece. Glue Dollar Tree river rocks and glass gems onto the surface in spirals, circles, or free-form patterns that make you happy. Grout the gaps, wipe clean, and let it cure. The result, a stunning, textured, one-of-a-kind tabletop that looks gallery-worthy and costs under $10. Pull up a chair. Your garden just got its most beautiful corner yet. Idea number 24. Garden Whimsy Watering Can Fountain Feature. Few things soothe the soul like moving water in a garden. Drill a small hole near the base of a Dollar Tree plastic watering can. Thread a solar fountain pump tube inside, connected to a hidden basin below. Set it in a sunny spot. Watch water trickle from the spout in a gentle, perpetual stream. Playful, peaceful, completely unexpected. Every guest who sees it will stop and smile, and so will you, every single morning. Idea number 25. Floral Throne Repurposed Chair Planter with Dollar Tree Flair. Spot an old wooden chair at a thrift shop or forgotten in a shed. Don't walk past it, rescue it. Remove the seat panel. Fit a Dollar Tree plastic bowl or wire basket snugly into the frame. Line with moss or burlap. Fill with geraniums, pansies, or herbs. Set by your porch or garden path. It becomes a blooming throne, a whimsical statement piece that mixes nostalgia, creativity, and the gardener's gift for seeing beauty in what others overlook. Idea number 26. Sun-Kissed Sparkle. Hanging garden curtains with shells and beads. String plastic beads, seashells, and glass gems onto clear fishing line in long, glittering strands. Hang them from a porch edge, tree branch, or garden archway. As sunlight and breeze move through them together, they sway and shimmer, casting dancing light and color across everything they touch. It's part wind chime, part dream catcher, part garden magic. And every bead you chose tells a tiny piece of your story. Idea number 27. Bloom with style. Plant supports with skewers and beads. Thread colorful beads onto bamboo skewers and patterns. Rainbow, pastel, earthy. Then press them gently into the soil beside your tallest plants. They support delicate stems beautifully and inject pure joy into every bed they stand in. It's a small touch with a big heart, because that's exactly what gardeners do. We care for the details. We notice what others miss. And we make even the practical things beautiful. Idea number 28. Seedling Sanctuary Mini Greenhouse from Photo Frames. 8 matching Dollar Tree photo frames. Glass panes glued back in, for forming a square base, for forming a hinged lid. Set over a seed tray in a sunny corner, and you've built a perfect little propagation greenhouse. Warm, humid, magical. Inside, seedlings stretch toward the light in their tiny glass house, and you get to watch every single moment of it. Because for gardeners, the beginning is the best part. Idea number 29. Secret Garden Vibes. Room divider with shower curtains. Pick up floral or lace print shower curtains from Dollar Tree. Attach them to 2 wooden stakes planted firmly in the ground. Let them drape softly across your space, catching the breeze, creating privacy, framing a quiet corner. Hide the compost bin. Divide the vegetable patch. Frame a secret reading nook surrounded by blooms. Your garden just became a retreat, layered, lush, and entirely your own. Idea number 30. Time and stone. Treasured memory garden marker. Pour quick-set concrete into a Dollar Tree plastic tray. Before it sets, press in the things that matter most. An old key, a broken china piece, a coin, a shell from somewhere meaningful. Carve initials or a date with a stick. Let it cure. Place it in your garden, beside your favorite plant or your most loved bench. It isn't a stepping stone. It's a time capsule. A piece of your story, set permanently into the garden you've grown with love. And there you have it. 30 ways to turn simple dollar finds into a garden that stops hearts, sparks joy, and tells your story in every single corner. Because the most beautiful gardens were never about the budget. They were always about the builder. If even one of these ideas lit something up inside you, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with the gardener in your life who needs a little beauty on a budget. Subscribe to Daily Sprout Gardener, because around here, every seed we plant, whether in soil or in creativity, grows into something extraordinary. Until next time, keep your hands dirty and your heart full. Happy growing.